Today, we're going to be putting on false lashes. I have found the easiest way to do this. First off, we are going to start by cutting off the inner section. So everything's cut just how I like it. I also keep the small pieces, and on days where I don't feel like putting on a full lash, I will put it at the end just to kind of give my eyes an extra oomph. So what we do next is we're going to use our Sephora False Lash Transparent Gel. We're going to put it on our eye line. There we go. And then put a little bit more in. We're going to put it on our lash. Be generous. And then I'm going to blow on it and let it dry for probably a good 20 seconds. Get it nice and tacky. So we're going to place the lash and then pull it to where we want, and place the front. And what we'll do is we will cover it with some eyeliner. Perfect. And I will do the other side. Boom, just like that. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.